Okay guys, got a call for a toted impound on a Jeep here, so we're gonna see if we can scoot in here, get this thing loaded up, and get out of here.
Yeah, I'm gonna have that red one, but I still think this one's the best looking one.
Oh, for sure.
The keys are in the front seat if you need to do whatever you need to do.
I think I can hook it from the back and then just tie the steering wheel off. Should be good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Get out of your way.
Okay, thank you. You're okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see, maybe what's going on as I back up. I don't know. Ooh, goodness. You guys been staying busy?
Yeah, sometimes.
All the Jeep invasion?
I was, yeah. This was a nice guy in the suspended. Not like you have far to go, right? Alright, Bubba, I'll meet you over there.
Alrighty, thank you. Okay guys, got that one loaded up. Sorry I have the chest mount on, but the chest mount is still very flimsy. You guys can't see me. Chest mount's still very flimsy. I haven't had the chance to fix it yet. It's been kind of chaotic here, but got this one loaded up. We'll see if we can squeeze out of this narrow parking lot. Tied down the steering wheel and just picked up the rear end. So okay, we're gonna see if we can get this thing over there and get it unloaded for him. I guess he said the driver was just suspended, so I gotta lock in, trying to get through this traffic. It's hard telling. More room? Thank you. You think? The front of these is so hard to see. Thank you so much. Is there any particular place that you want this?
Wherever go.
Wherever go. Can I just go like right in behind that truck?
Yeah, go right behind
Red
that
truck?
truck.
Perfect.
All these ain't going nowhere, so that's fine.
Okay, perfect.
Tell Mom and Dad I said, hey.
Yes, sir. You be safe. Okay, guys, we are over here turning onto Legion Field Bridge for a towed impound by request from the Gatlinburg Police Department. So we're gonna see if we can scoot across the other side of the spur here and hopefully get this thing loaded up and get it taken back over there for them. I know you guys probably can't see much right now, but that's okay because I can't see that much either. So we're gonna see what we can do. Get over here, hopefully get some lights going, get this thing loaded up. Thanks, sir. This is going back to your guys' lot, right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Get this in the truck. I'm gonna wait. Their situation is escalating. Wait and see what they do because I don't want to interrupt them. So I'm gonna sit in here because they are throwing him in handcuffs. And I do not want to interrupt that. Okay guys, just got cleared to take it, so we're gonna see if we can back up to it. Make sure that we're grabbed around it. Perfect. e-brake is set. I don't think so. I was just checking in here to see if the e-brake was set. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's get out of here.
Perfect.
Yeah, this guy's sketching us out.
Yeah, no, I'll follow you guys. Thank you. Okay, guys. Hopefully you can see me kind of well. I've got both dome lights on, and I'm right here next to the city parking lot. Maybe I'll sit here for a second so you guys can see me a little bit, so I can talk about that one a little bit. I didn't record much of that one because that one was pretty scary. I'm not gonna lie to you. I got out, you know, probably a little bit earlier than I should have, a lot earlier than I should have, honestly. They were still dealing with the people, the vehicle owners there. So, but I didn't really realize that at the time they had them out, and we're talking to them there. But one of the officers came up and gave me the key fob for it. So I kind of just stood there, and then once I realized that they were still dealing with him, then I came back to the truck, so because I didn't want to interfere and I didn't want to be in their way or anything like that, which is a good thing, because right as I was getting ready to walk away, the vehicle owner started reaching for something underneath of his seat. What that was, I have no clue. I don't know if there was anything there to begin with. But the officer started shouting, let me see your hands right now. So I didn't want anything to do with that situation. So I came back to the truck and I sat here, hunkered down and waited for them to finish up with him. It was just a really kind of bad situation. So I just wanted to make sure that I wasn't in their way. You know, safety comes first. Again, I'm sorry guys for not recording that stuff, but safety comes first. I want to make sure that I'm okay. I want to make sure that I'm not interfering with any of the police officers stuff there, and it can be dangerous. So again, my bad for not recording, but we did end up getting that one back over here to the lot. I didn't even necessarily record dropping it off, which yeah, my bad. But got it unloaded. You guys saw me pull it forward into their lot, talk to the officer a little bit. He was apologizing to me, which GPD, we love you guys. I wanted to apologize to you guys for you know, getting there if I was in your guys' way. And again, I did get out a little prematurely there, and so hopefully I didn't interfere too much. But got it picked up, got it dropped off. It sounds like it's going to be a busy night. Calls for alleged, I'm just gonna say calls for drivers hitting telephone poles, more people pulled over up and down the parkway here. So stick around, stay tuned. I'm sure it's gonna be a busy one.